When you select any object in ActivInspire, the Marquee Handles appear. These present sizing handles in addition to several options. Click and drag to modify an object with the sizing handles. The bottom right sizing handle allows you to resize objects while maintaining their aspect ratio. Use Freely Move Object to move objects around the flip chart page by clicking and dragging the X. Rotate an object by clicking and dragging the arc with arrows. Object Edit menu expands to offer a range of options. The translucency slider lets you modify an object's translucency. If objects are grouped, you may manipulate and edit them as a single object. Grouped objects appear as orange on the Marquee Handles. Toggle this button to ungroup them. Use Bring Forward and Send Backward buttons to reposition overlapping objects. Use Duplicate to replicate the selected object. Increase object size and decrease object size modify the size of an object by 10% with each click. Finally, use Edit Shape Points to drag and change the shape of an object.